Hello, my name is Zachary Heinel with Back to Basics of Information Security at Dorado Defense. Policies. Why do we have them? What are they? So security policies are the high-level, tone at the top documents. So they set the acceptable level of risk for the organization directly from the executive team. So if you will, the tone at the top is what is acceptable under our policies for you to do as an employee on our computer systems, on our servers, on our databases, on your endpoint PCs. These are just some of the very basic building blocks that you then work on top of to then set your standards, your processes to increase the security and the security culture at your company. If you don't have buy-in from your executive team and it's just individuals throughout the organization trying to push information security best practices, they're not going to be effective unless they're backed by your executive team. It's important that the executives and the leadership at your organization, your company, understand the issues that are at hand, the risks that the business are exposed to in a monetary form that they understand, the bare facts and numbers, so that they can then 100% recommend, hey, this is why we're doing these best practices. This is why we have these policies in place to follow and provide guidelines to the business for how we do business in an acceptable manner. This could be through your information security policy, acceptable use policies, even general computer use, and how infrastructure and different departments do their business in a safe and secure manner. So if you don't have confidence or you don't have those information security policies yet in place, then I would have a very good discussion around information security with your IT team. And if you need help with that discussion, I'm always available to help here at Dorado Defense. Please let me know if you have any questions about information security policies, information security in general, and how you're managing those risks associated with your business, and the importance of information security policies. My name is Zachary Heinel at Dorado Defense. Stay safe.